Sephora Visa gift card. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Sephora gift card on the app. So let's get started. First, download and install the Sephora app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Sephora app on your mobile device. You can download it from the Apple Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. Next, create or sign into your account. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. Navigate to the gift card section. This is typically found in the app's main menu or settings. Next, add or enter gift card details. In the gift card section, you should find an option to add a gift card or enter gift card details. Choose this option. Now enter the gift card information. This usually includes the gift card number and PIN. You can find this information on the physical card or in the email if it is an e-gift card. Verify and confirm the addition of the gift card to your Sephora account. After adding the gift card, you may want to check the balance to ensure it reflects the correct amount. That's all. That's how you will be able to add Sephora gift card on the application. That's all.